Hi, welcome to Sandra Sensations. I'm going to be doing a steamer strainer pour. That's my plan. A colorful painting. I've got a 10 by 20 canvas ready to go. I'm just going to give it a quick little torch to get some of the bubbles out. I've got the white acrylic here. And I'm not even sure what colors I'm going to do. I just wanted to do a colorful painting, and I'm going to use my steamer strainer in 2 spots on this canvas and then pour it around and see what kind of design we get. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It would be much appreciated. And everybody that keeps coming back, you're so awesome. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, let's get started. Have some fun with a painting. Okay, I'm going to take my steamer and I'm going to put this guy right about here. We're going to start with some red. This one is my apple red. Just going to go straight down the middle with it. And then we're going to do some magenta. This one's actually a really pretty magenta. It's done by Montmartre. I just got this one in and pre-mixed it last night, so let's put that down with the red as well. And again, I'm just going right down the center of the steamer. And I think I want some gold in there as well. So I'll put some gold. And what do you think? Some purple? Yeah, let's do some purple as well. Whoops. Okay, and then how about some sky blue? Okay, and I think I'm going to add a little bit of white. Leave that sit for a second to pour through those little holes. Definitely got some color coming out there, that's good. I'm just going to lift this and move it down to right about here. Let's do the same colors again. Apple red. And the magenta. And the gold. Purple. Sky blue. And a little bit of the white. There we go. Just leave that sit for a second as well. Love these 10 by 20 canvases. They're just awesome to work on. Lots of room to do stuff. Okay, I'm going to lift this guy as well. And just move it down a little bit. Get some of that paint moving down to the end here. Cover those holes. Okay, I'm going to put my tray aside. Got color through this whole thing, that's awesome. And then I'm just going to flood it a little bit with some more white. just to make sure that I got enough to get lots of movement happening. I'm not going to blow it. I'm going to definitely do this as a pour and see what happens. So we're going to pick this guy up, move him this way, back this way. You got to have patience doing this. You don't want to pour it too fast because you lose your pattern that you have. Stretch the paint out too much. Sorry if you're seeing the back of the canvas. Try and get the view I have for you. Almost done. Gorgeous colors in here. I can't wait to torch it. There we go. Do we have all the sides done? Just going to pick up a little bit of color from my table. I pour it off my canvas. Get it on the side. How's this one? It's pretty good as well. I got all the corners. Awesome. I'm just going to tilt it your way a little bit. Didn't that turn out beautiful? Okay, let's give it a torch. Love these abstract pours. Just gorgeous. Okay, let's see what we got for cells happening. Now some people like the cells and some people really don't care for it. I personally really like the cells. But some people watching will be, oh, you ruined it. But I don't think so. It comes out with all these awesome colors popping up. All the bubbles are out. It looks really neat. I'll give it another quick little tilt for you. There we go. Let this guy dry and do its things with the cells. There we go. Quick little 10-minute painting for you, and you have yourself a masterpiece for your own home. Definitely you got to give this a try. Paint pouring is so much fun, so relaxing. I just love it. Again, if you're new to the channel, please hit subscribe, and everybody that keeps coming back to watch, again, thank you so much. I appreciate it more than words can say. Enjoy, everyone. Thank you.